Hey, excavator man. Oh, you're doing a good job.
I'm moving the steering around.
You are. Do you like digging?
Yeah.
Do you like your excavator?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mimi and Papa got you that, huh? Wow, that looks like a lot of fun. Are you gonna take a break soon?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're strong, bud. What's the excavator gonna build? What's the excavator gonna build?
House. House.
A house? So what are you doing with all the dirt?
I'm moving it all around.
Oh, you getting the land ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
There's a house.
okay. Keep up the good work. Good job, excavator.